What you doing?
Now it ingratiates
Huh? Yeah, are you showing Mama and Papa you got your lamb? Huh? See, I got my lamb, Mama and Papa, and I'm wearing my shirt too. He said, I'm tired. Just got home from school. Whew. Well, talk to Mama and Papa. Say, hey. Say, hey. Oh. Yeah. Say, mwah. You gonna throw him a kiss? Mwah. Offer him some thumb. Something. You gonna kiss Liam? Okay, well that's all right. Go, mwah, Mama and Papa. Yeah, tell them what you did at school today. Did you get to ride the bus this morning? Yeah. Yeah, you got to ride the bus this morning. He was a big boy, as always.
Ooh, he got them people fooled.
They said he was so sweet. All right, say bye-bye. Give him sugar. All right.